Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing you how to buy and sell the stocks using the zerodha margin calculator for the intraday purpose. Just go to Google, just search for the zerodha margin calculator. Zerodha margin calculator. So click on the link. You'll get the margin calculator for F&O, feature and options, equity features, commodity, currency and equity stocks and B and O. This will tell you how much margin can be given by the zerodha for intraday purpose. For example, I will go to with the SBIN. So if you have for buying for CNC 1x, it will provide you the 14x for your intraday. For example, you can calculate from here. So you have 10,000 rupees. So if you stock price is 250 rupees, then calculate. So with this amount you can buy 40 stocks for the CNC. But Zerodha will provide you 14x, means 14 into 40 stocks you can buy for the intraday purpose. Guys, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.